from diverse backgrounds, carrying with them their unique stories, advocacies, and dreams. I know that you guys are all excited to meet them. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Universe Philippines 2026 delegates.
Maayong gabi, Ascenso, Osamis. I am Alexandra Krishna Gugadalino, representing the majestic land of Albay.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Megan Laris Valdivia, representing the City of Smiles, Bacolod City.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Felicia Aldana, proudly representing Bacoor City, Cavite.
Maayong gabi, I am Roxy Bayens from Baguio City.
Mabuhay! I'm Kathleen Dale Casañas, representing Bohol. Maayong gabi, I'm Princess Ryla Hernandez, proudly representing Cabanatuan City and the Filipino Society of Alberta, Canada.
Maayong gabi, Osamis City. I am Erica Jean Kalayday from Camiguin. Jensen Manansala Kanya, representing Cavite Province.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Ako di ay si April Smith from Cebu City.
Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I'm Nicole Borromeo, representing Cebu Province.
from Misamis Occidental. Ako di ay si Clarissa Marie Angelina Gambalan Westro, gikan sa probinsya sa Cotabato.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tyra Jane Medino, representing Las Marinas City.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako di ay si Trexie Paris Rojas, representing Iligan City.
Aloha kako, naimbag nga rabi, and maayong gabi. I'm Cherise Leon Capayorn, representing Ilocos Norte and the Filipino Society of Hawaii.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I am Zesta Shaluk Kapawan Espinosa, representing Iloilo City.
Mayong gabi kanilang tanan. Ako may Leslie Clinticker Sutay, representing Iloilo Province.
Mabuhay, Misamis Occidental. I am Isabel Cecilia Alvarez Prats from the province of Laguna.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Abigail Butsar, representing Las Piñas City and Filipino Society of Florida. Mabuhay po sa inyong lahat.
Mabuhay! Ako po si Bea Milian Mendorsky, proudly representing La Union. Daghang salamat po!
Maupay na gabi, maayong gabi. I am Carol Bailaniba Cabaho, gikan ha probinsyahan Leyte.
Maayong gabi, Osamis City. Ako po si Scarlett Endemesa, representing Los Baños, Laguna.
My name is Ashley Subihana Montenegro from the humble municipality of Luciana, Laguna. si Justine Beatriz Calazarda, representing Manila.
Ascenso Misamis Occidental, I am Laila Yubilay Montero Yodo from the Mountain Province. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Adela Mae Marshall, representing Muntinlupa.
Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I am Alexandria Colmenares from Negros Occidental.
Maayong gabi ug daghang salamat sa pagdawat namo diri sa Osamis. I'm Maria Fatima Alsoya, gikan sa probinsya sa Negros Oriental.
Good afternoon, I am Michelle Tontokabacho, representing Nueva Ecija and the Filipino Society of the United Kingdom.
Maayong gabi, ako si Jacqueline Jaya Alune, Miss Nueva Vizcaya and the Filipino Society of Washington State.
Mabuhay Misamis, Neil Silva, mula sa probinsya ng Occidental, Mindoro.
Maayong gabi. I am Aviona Ursula Das from Palawan.
Maayong gabi, I am Alison Arceo Hetland, representing Pampanga.
Maayong gabi, I'm Donna Rain Lugin, representing Pangasinan.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arya Pauline Galvez, representing Parañaque and the Filipino Society of Los Angeles.
Maayong gabi, I am Kristen Marcelino, representing Pateros. Maayong gabi po sa inyong tanan. Maraming salamat po for having us. This is Patricia Ella Evangelista, representing Quezon Province and the Filipino Society of Australia.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I am Alicia Chelsea Pangilinan Buendia, representing Rizal and the Filipino Society of Southern California.
Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. This is Rose Ann Carino Albania, representing San Carlos City, Province of Pangasinan.
Maayong gabi. My name is Jake Noel Munsaya, representing San Jose Negros Oriental and the Filipino Society of Bellevue, Washington.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rachel Hannah Villanueva Gozu, representing Santo Tomas La Union and the Filipino Society of Seattle, Washington. Mayang gabi kaninyong tinan. Ako da is Nicole Cruz, representing Sarangani Province and the Filipino Society of West Asia. Padayon sa Paglambo, Misamis. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Brother Rose Patwal, representing Province of Southern Leyte.
Mayong gabi, I'm Jen Rose Javier from the province of Sultan Kudarat.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Juliana Hope Aquino and I'm representing the Albatongas and the Filipino Society of Northern California.
Mahupay na gabi, my name is Jacqueline Sampson Gulbarajani, Tacloban City. Good evening, everybody. My name is Isabella Rojas Ismael, representing Taguig.
Marajaw na duyum, everyone. This is Crystal May Correos from Tandag City, Surigao del Sur. Mabuhay po! Ako po si Maria de la Cruz Arellano mula sa probinsya ng Tarlac.
Good evening to each and everyone. I am Maria Janica Francen Aquino, City of Tuguegarao.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 50 phenomenal and ravishing delegates of Miss Universe Philippines 2026. I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you will support them, of course, on our coronation night on May 2, 2026. And again, thank you so much.